Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to look at how we can use voice memos for capturing lectures and summarizing the information for your students or for your personal use. It just depends on, whatever you want to do. So I have the Voice Memos app open, and what I'm going to do is read off of a script based on a science lesson. So I'm going to go ahead and tap record. Okay, class, so last class we discussed the human body and how it is made up of cells. So we did go over the major parts of the human cell, including the cell membrane, the nucleus, the cytoplasm. So what we want to do today is go over the next three parts, which is the mitochondria, the ribosomes, and the endoplasmic reticulum. So for mitochondria, it's nicknamed the powerhouse of the cell. They turn food and oxygen into energy, like a power plant supplying electricity to a city. Ribosomes are tiny factories that make proteins, which are essential for growth and repair. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubes inside the cell. Rough ER has ribosomes on it and helps make proteins. Smooth ER helps make fats and remove toxins. So we have a few more areas to cover for next class, but for this class I want you to explain with a group, so get with your group at your table, why cells are important, and come up with one fun fact that you can share with the rest of the class when we reconvene about the cell. After you guys do that, then we will have a quiz next class. So we're going to cover the last two next class, and then we'll have a quiz. So make sure to start studying up on the parts of the cell. Okay, so I'm stopping it there. And what I'm going to do is, you see this little speech bubble right up here. That is, because I'm on iOS 18, that is the transcript. So I'm going to go to the transcript, and as you see, it already generated a full transcript. So I can search it, or I can do what I'm going to do now, which is copy it. There's several ways to do it. I'm just going to tap done, and I'm going to press and hold, and then I'm going to say copy transcript. So now I'm going to take it over to ChatGPT, which I have a free version on here. This is the free version. I am trialing the live speech. That's why you see that on there. But for now, and I do have it. I have live on my phone on that account, but this is a different account. So I'm just going to tell it to summarize these notes for my students. Paste, and voila. Within seconds, you'll have something you can take and post to your Google Classroom or your Canvas, or you can send it however you communicate with your students. So if we scroll down, you see it says here's a clear student-friendly summary. Cell parts we learned today: mitochondria, ribosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum. And it breaks it down: class activity, working groups, next steps. And it also offers to turn it into a visual handout or diagram. It just depends on what you're looking for. All I have to do is copy this and take it wherever I want. So easy peasy, quick. So if you're tutoring or something like that, or you're in a meeting, you can turn on voice notes, record the session, copy the transcript, take it over to free ChatGPT, or if you have Apple Intelligence, you can do the same thing in your Notes app as well. That's it. Bye.